Hey folks, I am excited to announce the launch of my Master Your Multiples Spins program. This is an 8-week program that is designed to help you get rid of your frustrations and fears when it comes to multiple spins. It is going to teach you all of the fundamental elements of spins, from preparation, spotting, pedaling, changing directions, maintaining axis, posture, body alignment, all of those things, so that you can master not only your single spins, but also get up to doubles, triples, and more. The program begins on April 3rd and enrollment ends on March 31st. And there's a special early bird discount for anyone who signs up before March 25th. You get an additional $50 off of this launch promotional price. And if you are my Spin Technique 1 students, my alumni, you get an additional discount. So before you sign up, send me an email so you can get your code. I look forward to helping you conquer your frustrations and your fears and your confusions over multiple spins so that you can start to feel more comfortable when you get on the dance floor. And I am going to get you to that same level of comfort over the next 8 weeks. See you there.